Hi and welcome to our weekly House Church Shepherd's Bible Study. The theme for the March is prophets. The story for March 4th is Elijah. Elijah was a prophet who performed many miracles in God's name. He also challenged against the false gods that King Ahab and his wicked wife Jezebel worshipped. The challenge was between 850 false gods prophets and only one God's prophet, Elijah. In the end, it clearly revealed that there is only one true God. This week's Bible passage is from 1 Kings chapter 18. Our memory verse is from Psalm 95, verse 6. Come, let us worship and bow down. God was angry with the king and the people of Israel. God sent his prophet Elijah to tell Ahab that there will be no rain in the next few years. Ahab and Jezebel were so angry that they wanted to kill Elijah. God told Elijah to go into hiding. God had arranged a widow to take care of him. Elijah performed the first miracle. Elijah came to see the widow. She served Elijah even though she didn't have much to survive another day. God blessed her for serving God's prophet. God blessed her with all her needs until the Lord sent rain. Elijah performed the second miracle. One day the widow's son became sick and died. Elijah, feeling sad, stretched himself on the boy 3 times and prayed. The Lord heard Elijah's prayer and the boy came back to life. The widow believed Elijah and everything he spoke. Elijah challenged 450 prophets of Baal and 400 prophets of Asherah. There was no rain for 3.5 years. Elijah went to King Ahab to challenge against his false god. 400 prophets of Baal and 400 prophets of the Asherah were gathered on Mount Carmel. The challenge was to call on their God to send down fire to consume the offering. The God who sent the fire would be the true God, the one true God. Baal's prophets shouted to their God, but nothing happened. Now Elijah dug around the altar and poured water on the offering. Then he prayed. Suddenly, fire came down from heaven and ate up the offering. The people shouted, "The Lord, He is God!" Elijah prayed 7 times. After the 7th time, the rain finally came. It was the end of the drought. Please share the key points with the children in your house church. Sharing points. We can worship the one true God. We can ask God to help us. Remember to always worship Him in many ways and in many places.